This is breaking news. I am Brian Johnson, and here's today's news. The sky has randomly gone dark, nearly pitch black, as if it was nighttime. We don't know why this is happening, but it is advised that you
The following message is transmitted at the request of the local police department. The sky, at this time, has for some reason gone near pitch black. As a safety precaution, it is advised that you take shelter immediately, as it may not be safe to stay outdoors for as long as this anomaly is occurring. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for more information. We thank you for your cooperation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the local police department. A hijacking of all television stations are taking place, in which the screen shows a zombie. You stupid human thought we were gone. Well, not so sorry to burst your bubble, but we'll miss you in your spawn. We'll just explode your six last time we have appeared, and this time, you step no checks against us. You are all dead. So, my friend, we're on this planet, so we start our zombie virus. I say we start there. And interesting choice, you're the most glad, which means we'll have the most bomb in our hand. Good thinking. Wait until they find out it's sex you're raided by sweet, which I'm not ready to illegal with through.
The following message is transmitted by the request of His Majesty's government. After Angry Munchie and Hazo have announced their return in the United States, they have created another zombie virus in Europe. However, unlike the previous virus, this new virus is accelerated by sleep. This acceleration is being studied, but the cause at this time is unknown. In order to prevent yourself from catching this virus, lock all doors, windows, and seal up any cracks with tape or a wet, damp cloth. Wear face masks at all times, and avoid large gatherings. Rations will be delivered by the government every Friday. Please stay tuned for further updates.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande.
What the hell? Why are they still zombie-like? They should be cured. No!
Are we ready to destroy this pathetic planet? Yes, go live, you stupid human!
Hold it right there, bucko. You bastards aren't doing any more harm to this planet.
So, you get to get your ass handed to you, you're good.
Damn, they're too strong. I can't win. But he can.
Go, silly! Fight scream!
He has a fog ability. He definitely escaped by now. Damn that bastard. We need to go search now. Hold on, I'm getting a report from the council. Evolto escaped containment. Shit, shit, shit. This is not good. Come on, Prince Ghidorah. We got a jet.